What's up everybody, Tony here with iTechCheck, and today I just want to make a quick little video on some essential things that I think you should have when you purchase the Galaxy Watch 3. Now, when you first get your watch, it comes with that, silicone band. I'm not a huge fan of it. I kind of like it to look, a little more classy, maybe be able to wear the watch for work, not so sporty. And I had come across this band on Amazon. It says it's made out of titanium. It's about $35. The only thing is, it's not made for the Galaxy Watch 3, but I found a way to make it work. So I will be putting a link in the description for all these products in case you guys want to pick them up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So again, this band fits really well with the black Galaxy Watch 3. It says it's made out of titanium and it's super light, so I tend to believe them. And it does actually sound like a titanium band that I have for some of my other real watches that I have. And when I say it sounds like it, it's just kind of like the sound that the band makes when it moves. It sounds like the real titanium band that I have. So it kind of makes me think that this is titanium as well. Fits really good. It is so solid. Fits really nice on your wrist, and it's very easy to put on. Now, one thing you're going to have to do is you're going to have to replace the little rods that go on each side. Again, I'll be putting a link in the description for you guys to pick those up. Those are about $11, and then the band itself was about $35. And then the other really nice thing about this is they're super easy to take off. So if you just pull down on this little clip here, you can unclip the band really easy. So you can put in those rods, and then you kind of take your band here, and then you just push it on. And there you go, you're all set. And then this is what it looks like on your wrist. Very easy to put on, nice, and snaps on there really nice, and it releases just as easy. And there's what it looks like on your wrist. Super nice band. It's got that brushed look. I think it really goes well with the black Galaxy Watch. So another thing is, once it's on, these don't tend to rotate down, so they're kind of just stuck up like that. You can push them on. You can push them on like that, and they'll hang like that. But once it rotates up, it won't come back down again. As you can see, it kind of sticks up like that. It's not a big deal to me. I don't even really notice it. It still fits on my wrist really well, and especially if you have bigger wrists, this is going to sit pretty well on your wrist too. So that is the titanium band. Again, I'll be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick it up, and you're also going to need those other thicker rods for this to work, but I think it looks great. I also wanted to show you how easily it was to take out these links from the titanium band. You don't need really anything special. You just need anything with a small end, like a SIM ejector tool. And then you just take that and you stick it into the hole of the link you want to take out. And as you can see, it's got like a little spring. So you just push in just a little bit until it stops, then kind of pull up on the link you want to take out, and then slowly back it out while creating pressure on the band, and then it'll just pop out like that. Super simple. So this is a lot easier to do when the band is actually placed down on a table or something, and then you have a harder surface to use. But I wanted to show you guys up close what I was doing, so it's a little harder for me to do. The other band that I picked up was really nice too. This is just a stainless steel band, but it has a color going down the middle of it, and I believe this also comes in a red or an orange as well. I just kind of wanted to share this with you guys. I thought it was pretty cool. I was wearing this before I got the titanium band. This is definitely heavier than the titanium one, but if you like that, instead of just a solid black look and you have that that color band in the middle, it kind of makes it stand out a little more. It looks pretty good on the watch as well. And these just unclip right from the middle very easily, and they just snap back just like that. Very cool. And then the last thing I kind of wanted to show you was your watch comes with a little power puck like this. This is kind of good if you have watch bands that come apart, because then you can just lay the watch on the puck and have it charged. But if you have a watch that doesn't come off, you can't really like lay it on the puck. You have to lay the watch on the side, then kind of put the puck in the back and hope it stays. And then, you know, your watch is kind of scraping on whatever you have it sitting on, or it could start to wear away. This accessory is a silicone stand. It kind of mimics the way that the stands used to be when they came with the watch itself. They used to be a stand-up charger, which is really nice because you can just kind of sit your watch in there and it would be protected and it would charge. But they went to this puck thing, which I really don't care for. But this really simply just brings it back to that stand-up charging station. And again, this is just a piece of silicone, really nice and soft. You just put your little power cord right through here, and then we're just gonna push our little power adapter in there, and then come under here and push this under like that. So everything fits in there nice and neat. So now you have a stand-up charger, and this will protect your watch from getting all scratched up because every little bit of this is silicone. So you plug that into the charger, then you just take your watch and it sits on there and charges. Very easy, nice and simple. It comes in a 2-pack, very inexpensive. I think maybe it was like $10 or something. But it works really well, especially, like I said, if you have a band that doesn't come apart. So that was just a quick little video I wanted to share with you guys of some things that I thought that you might like for your brand new Galaxy Watch 3, because I really love the fact that you can have this stand up, and this titanium band is really nice. And again, I just wanted to share it with you guys. So if you decide you want to pick them up, check out the links in the description. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.